Being able to cut circles in wood is a critical skill to have, but getting cleanly cut circular holes in precise locations is easier said than done. Drill bits are great for making small holes, but without a drill press or a jig, they're probably not going to be perpendicular to the surface. And trying to make clean and accurate circles with large hole cutting saws is dangerous. I almost broke my wrist using this friggin' thing. So if you're not making small holes with drill bits and you're not using jigs like this to make large circular tabletops, what are you supposed to do? By chance, I found myself wandering around a craft store a couple years ago and stumbled across this. I wasn't sure if it would work or not, but at $5 there was no way I was going home without finding out. I found that there are a couple different ways to use this template. The simplest way to do this is to cut a slightly oversized hole. You can do this with a jigsaw or just tape down some offcuts. Then identify where to place a hole, tape it down, and set the cut depth on the router. Not only did the craft store have this template, they had other templates that covered squares, rectangles, triangles, hexagons, and all sorts of other shapes. Just remember, you can find things to use in the shop in the strangest of places. So the next time your wife drags you out shopping and you find yourself daydreaming about throwing yourself off of a very tall building, just breathe and look for cool router templates.